Hey, welcome back guys. In this video, we're going to discuss angle relationships. So for the first set of angles, we're going to talk about adjacent angles. And so it says, adjacent angles are non-overlapping angles that share a ray. So first, let's identify our angle BCA, which is all this space. And if it's adjacent to BCA, meaning they're going to share, I like to look at it as a wall. I realize it's not a wall, but that's the ray that they're sharing. So that means it would be ACD. All right, so let's go to the next angle, vertical angles. Vertical angles are opposite each other, and they're congruent, meaning they have the same measurement. So we're going to look at BCE, which is here. This is this angle BCE. And the opposite, which would be on the other side, is ACD. They're equal. You could actually grab patty paper if you had the paper in front of you, and you would see that they are congruent to each other. For our next example is complementary angles. If you notice, it's a right angle. And if you remember, that is 90 degrees. So in other words, angle ACD is not, angle DBC plus ADB, they both add up to equal 90. So DBC would be, well, let me take a step back. Let's keep in mind that they both equal 90. So in other words, 55 plus X is equal to 90. Now I have the X because that's what the space is. This is a one-step equation, so you'll subtract 55 from both sides to isolate your variable. And you'll end up with X equals 35 degrees. All right, let's go down to supplementary angles. Now, supplementary angles have 180 degrees between both angles. So in other words, from here all the way to here is 180. So that means this space plus this space total to be 180 degrees. It's also known as a straight angle. So just kind of give you heads up on that. So in other words, the 68 degrees plus, we'll say X for our unknown, is equal to 180 degrees. We're going to isolate our variable of X and we'll subtract 68 from both sides. And then X is 112 degrees, since they both equal 180 degrees. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe.